Okay, this video is about aero interface and turning it off and turning it on and what it does when it's on and the difference. So right now aero interface is on my desktop and it makes my desktop background look a little glassy. Also, it will allow me to point at the icons in my taskbar and it will give me a brief preview of it. So I know what's going on. So each one of them I can point at and pull them up, and I know what's going on with them. So that is really a nice feature. When you put your mouse cursor in there, it puts it on the window. Now if I had this Word document open and I wanted to look at my Excel document, it'll make that Word document go into a glass effect. So I suppose what they were thinking was by doing that it is less distraction of getting confused what you got going on or previewing it. But that's my personal opinion. I have no idea what they had in mind for it, but it's a nice feature either way, how that works. So then to go and disable aero, because say you don't have a graphic card that supports it and it kind of slows things down, or there's a lot of games out there that won't work with aero enabled. So that everybody has a personal reason why they might not like aero. So disabling it, you just pick anywhere in your desktop and right click on your mouse, and when you do this you will get a drop down menu. In that drop down menu you want to go down to personalize. You click on personalize. That will pull up your personalization screen, and in this screen you have in mine, which you can check out your own, but in mine I have my themes, and then I have aero themes, and these are all where aero works. The program, the different things work in it. And then I have installed themes, and I have basic and high contrast themes. Now, if I choose Windows 7 Basic, because I currently have Windows 7 Aero theme going on, so let's stick with the same theme. Let's go with Basic Windows 7 contrast theme, and so I'm going to click on that, and it's going to change things up. So I've clicked on that. Not quite as glossy. If you didn't know that I had just changed that, you probably wouldn't be able to tell just by looking at the screen. But you can tell when you go to your icons down here, because you don't get the preview icon when you do that. You get no preview icon. It just tells you what it is, and that's what you get. So that's how that works. And also, if I was to open this Word document and I want to view the Excel document, it's just there. It don't glass out this Word document like it's supposed to, because I'm not in preview mode. I want to see it in working it mode. So that's how that works. Where if you remember on the arrow, I could have that Word document open and preview the Excel document, and the Word document would glass out. That is your biggest difference between Windows 7 Aero interface. And so if I wanted to go back in and disable it, I would right click again on or enable it, I would right click again on my desktop and hit personalize and go back in and re-enable it. And then once again I have the icons. Whoops. So it glasses it out. So that's how Windows Aero interface works, and that's how you enable it and disable it, and the difference between it. I hope you enjoyed this video.